If you run an elevator company anywhere in the world, India, US, UK, the Middle East, Africa, anywhere, your business has the same 5 problems. I have studied this across 20 countries, and one software stack is now solving all 5 problems from a single login. Here is how it works. Hi, I am Sumeet Katariya. I built ElevatorPlus after spending years working with elevator companies, watching where the chaos actually lives. I wrote a book on this exact problem. It's available on Amazon now. We are going to use the same framework from that book in this video, so stay till the end. Every elevator company I have worked with, small or large, India or abroad, has exactly these same 5 problems. 1. Sales chaos. Leads come in, nobody owns them. Quotes go cold. 2nd. Service firefighting. Breakdowns happen. The owner gets called directly because the team didn't respond fast enough. 3rd. Inventory black holes. Spares go missing. Dead stock builds up. Urgent parts aren't where they should be. 4th. Installation delays. Job gets delayed because nobody owns the timeline. And the 5th. AMC and payment leakage. Renewals expire silently. Service work goes unbilled. These aren't 5 different problems. There's one structural problem. Operations grew without a system underneath. You have probably tried Salesforce or SAP or Zoho or a custom build tool. They all fail in the lift industry for the same reason. They are built for a generic businesses, not for a business where every new installation creates a 20 to 40 years of service obligation. Generic CRMs don't understand AMC renewal cycle. They don't link a breakdown to a lift's installation history. They don't connect spare part consumption to a billing. So your team logs into them for a month, then quietly goes back to WhatsApp and Excel. I know what you are thinking. You have tried many softwares before. Give me 3 minutes on screen and you'll see why this is different. This is ElevatorPlus in production. Top of the dashboard, every active lead, who owns it, what stage it's in. Click into the customer. Full history, every installation, every breakdown, every spares used, every invoice raised, every payment collected, one screen. AMC tab, every contract with a renewal date is color-coded. All follow-ups are reminded well in advance. Nobody has to remember anything. Service tab, every open complaint mapped to a nearest available technician. Inventory tab, real stock versus system stock, warehouse-wise with reorder alerts. Installation tab, every tab with a stage, owner, deadline and what's blocking it. One system, every department, live. Here is where most software fails. You buy it, you get a login and you are on your own. ElevatorPlus isn't sold that way. The implementation team comes in, handhold your team in their language, help them import your existing data, configure the system for how your business actually runs, trains every department, drives the behavior shift and stays with you forever on the annual AMC. I'll give you one example. One of our clients from Pune, 80 plus people, 1200 plus AMCs, had tried 2 other software tools before ElevatorPlus. He told me on day 1, I don't trust software companies anymore. By day 90, he was a daily dashboard user. 90% adoption across the team. Because we were there, not just a login. Because the system only delivers ROI if the team adopts it. And that doesn't happen with just a video tutorial. Day 1 to 50. All branded PDF settings, data import, customers, AMCs, lifts, jobs, inventory import, etc. Day 15 to 45, configuration and training, department by department. Day 45 to 90, live user with on-ground adoption support. Real problems are faced and fixed live. By day 90, owners are typically reclaiming 10 to 20 hours a week. AMC renewal rates climb and operational visibility moves from 0 to live. Not every business is ready. If your roles are undefined, if your leadership is avoiding visibility, if you expect instant ROI without behavior shift, wait. Read the book first. It costs just 299 rupees on Amazon and it will tell you in one evening whether you are ready or not. If you are ready, if you have felt the ceilings and you know it's operations holding you back, book a live one-on-one demo. We'll spend 30 minutes looking at your specific setup. Link to the book and demo are in the description.